Friends, I hasten to inform you that you can find all private information in my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description under this video. Free access is valid for a limited time, so follow the link faster and register. Don't forget join my Telegram group with free signal. When topping up your account, use my promo code and you will receive an additional 50% bonus to your deposit. Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. You will find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options here. And if you're new in trading and I think that you are not gonna handle that, then you're completely wrong, because my strategies are pretty simple even for a beginner. Watch this video till the end and see for yourselves. Let's roll. Don't forget press like button, subscribe to this channel and leave the comments down below. It motivates me a lot. Let's begin our trading session. We're gonna open positions for the maximum deposit amount. Now we got $10 on the balance. All the currency pairs have been picked. We're trading on the 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's also select indicators. It's gonna be the ADX, MACD, and I guess the zigzag. The zigzag is gonna show us the local highs and lows, so we will pay close attention to them. And let's configure the ADX. The moving average will be blue, the plus D is gonna be the green, and the minus D will be red. So we did just to make it more clear and avoid. Let's also configure the MACD, change the period 6, and slow will be in 13 and 5. So let's apply these settings. I think they are gonna help us a lot. So we're done here. Let's get down to trading and find the most profitable currency pair. Find a good trade entry and let's begin analyzing. We're interested in the highest spot rate. So we're looking for the better trade entry. Look at here, guys, look like a good trade entry, and that's why we should open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. First I want to mention that the local low was updated here, the touch of the support zone took place, and we also see that the candle has a huge shadow within, is actually a bullish sign. Also see a good volume in the MACD, and after that the reversal is expected here. By the way, we see that the ADX is in the zone, in the 45 zone, with is kind of peak here. After with the reversal should follow up, and I want to demonstrate that to you. We can observe this right here, and ADX was at the 55 zone and went down right after. Basically, I think it was a good move to open this long position, and the first one in profits, guys. Let's update the trade amount and carry on trading session. We're also trying to pick currency pairs with the high spot rate. So let's continue analyzing. I see a good trading opportunity here. Let's open a long. I will point out the workspace. We see that there was a good volume here, and look at this huge green candle. A strong player entered the market and he's not gonna give up, and that's why I see this positive dynamics here, and we open the long position. It's worth mentioning, and the green moving average is at the top and the ADX is near the level 13. And after this correction we see that the positive dynamics takes over, and that's why we opening a long position is the best option here. We should also point out the resistance zone here, and the price is trying to reach it now. Meanwhile, there's a nice breakout exactly as I predicted, guys. Really is trade entry, and we are in profits here. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing. We're interested in the highest payment rate. Let's take a look at this one. The local high has been updated. Good volumes, that's why we should open a short position here. We're playing ahead of the market. We want to catch on more correction, and the updating of the local high did happen. Previously there were this correction after that, and now this scenario should play out again, and so we're playing ahead of the market, and breakdown should happen in that. The moving average is almost the top on the MACD, and small correction is imminent, and basically we see a good volumes on the MACD, the crossing of the moving average, and reversal. We got at least 3 signals here, more than not, and we can already see that the breakdown is gaining momentum, and they're around 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm expecting the candle to go even lower. So 5 seconds left, guys. Yep, our position has been closed in profits. Absolutely nothing complicated about it. And so we're updating the trade amount. And let's find the next currency pair. Let's find the most profitable pair trade and continue analyzing. We see the pullback here, and we also open a short here following the trend direction. We see the updating of the local low, and I think the price will continue going down. Almost no volumes on the MACD, which indicates that the correction should follow. And basically these are 2 main signals, guys. So if you see the downward dynamics like this, the best option will be to open a short, especially after the pullbacks, and this way we open it the short following the trend direction, and that's why I consider it the best possible option here, and I trade it like this in most of the cases when I use these indicators, because the MACD and ADX show us the mood of the market and the price. And basically we should open with the trend here, and that's exactly what I show it you guys. Meanwhile the position is in profits, and let's refresh the page and carry on trading. We should also pay attention to the pair trade. I want to consider this one, and so let's take a look. What do we got here? We open a short position right away. This is a very good one, because the price is in a sideways trend, and that's why a good correction is required here after this upward dynamics here. And the updating of the local high did happen here. If you look at the ADX, the moving average is at the top near the 55 zone, with the indicates the reversal, and small volumes in the MACD. The moving averages are facing downwards, and the green moving average on the ADX is going down, while the red one is going up. And that's why opening a short is the best option here. And you can see that yourself the downward dynamics is gaining momentum, and the breakout has happened, and our position has been closed in profits. And yep, we're in profits, guys. Let's change the trade amount and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We're looking for the highest pair rate. There's a good volume here, and that's why we open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. There was the update of the local low and touch of the support zone. The local low was updated right here, and the red moving average is moving downwards on the ADX, and the green one is going up, and they cross it here, which indicates that the upward dynamics will prevail here. And we see a good volume in the MACD, and the moving average crosses the 0 line here, and basically this is a bullish sign, guys. And we already see a massive pump here. The local high is gonna be updated soon, exactly as I predicted, guys. And there around 10 seconds left before the closing, and I can assure you 5, 4, 3 and 1 that this is one in profits. And let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing, and we're gonna find the better pilot rate. We see a strong impulse to the downside, and we're gonna play ahead of the market, and that's why we open a long position. So here the touch of the support zone takes place. It looks like the double bottom pattern, after which we should expect the breakout. We also good selling volume at the MACD, and we're playing ahead of the market, after which there are gonna be reversal, and the moving average has crossed it here with the highs, as that we're gonna expect a pullback and see some positive dynamics. And let's watch the breakout is happening. Yeah, breakout is happening, and we're expecting a breakout by the end of the position on the last 5 seconds, guys. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's see what's gonna happen. Yep, exactly as I predicted, our position has been closed in profits. We see a huge pump at the end. Nice one, guys. Let's continue making money. So let's carry on the trading session. We're interested in the highest pilot rate. We open it a long position here. Nice trade entry, guys, because we already see a good buying volume on the RX, the crossing of the moving averages. The same goes for the MACD. All this hints us that the positive dynamics will dominate, and we see the crossing of the moving average from the above. Previously there was a good correction, good selling volume, and I think that the local low was updated at this point. The price should go up with the trend, and that's why we're opening the long position. And yep, the breakout has already happened. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing. So, and we got more than $1,000 on the balance right now. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. We pick the most profitable pilot rate. Let's open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. We see a good volumes on the MACD. The reversal on the moving averages. We also see that the red moving averages are facing downwards. The green one is facing upwards. We're playing ahead of the market and expecting the crossing of this line. Here we also see the touch of this upper zone. We see the price rebound here, and it looks like the double bottom patterns, and that's why we open it the long, especially after this massive correction here. So this is the best option. I want to say on more time we played ahead of the market, and that's why we expect the breakout to happen at the end of our position. And there are around 5 seconds left. The breakout is happening right now, and yep, the breakout has happened, guys. I forgot to change the trade amount. Let's do that now and continue trading session. Find another currency pair. We're looking for the best pilot rate. We open a long here again. I will point out the workspace, and the correction is gaining momentum again, and after that I'm expecting to see the upward dynamics because the local high is to be updated. It didn't happen here, that's why the price should go higher. We see the same picture on the MACD, some positive dynamics, and trading volume reduced a little bit, and after that buying volume should increase. And that's why we opened the long position, guys. And we also expect the crossing of the moving average on the ADX, and we already see the breakout in around 10 seconds left before the closing. and our position has been closed in profits, guys. We got $2,500 on the balance. Let's open final position in order to consolidate our today's gains, and let's change the currency pair. We need the most profitable pair trade as usual. Actually, let's open a long position here again. I think the upward dynamics should take place here. That's why we open it the long. We see this huge green candle and we open it the long right away, because we don't even see the upward direction on the RX. It means that the local high has to be higher. Let's point out these two resistance level, and there are the nearest targets for the price. Look at this good follow me on the MACD, the crossing of the zero level, and strong upward dynamics. Also the crossing just happened here, and we expected the last time. Now there is it, and that's why we opened the long, and the updating of the local high is happening now. The candle shouldn't go down. The position was opened correctly. And yep, we're in profits again. I don't want to withdraw the money today. Let's just keep 4,000 on the balance for the next trading session, and we'll continue from this point. We're gonna open $1,000 positions, and we should make some good money. I wanna see $20,000 on the balance. And guys, I wanna say only thank you for watching this video. My name is Paul, and welcome to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, Instagram, and this is YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and write the comments. Thank you guys, and bye bye.